Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Melanie Rahayu, and now I am to present the finding of my research entitled "Code Mixing in the Hands of Genji on TikTok: A Sociolinguistic Study on Digital Communication." So for this title, this study explore how Generation G use code mixing in digital interaction, especially on the TikTok platform, from a sociolinguistic perspective. For the first is background. This is Generation G has grown up in a multilingual and highly digital environment. So for the TikTok is one of the most popular social media platform among them, and their communication style on TikTok trends of to be spontaneous, informal, and expressive. So one to common to feature is code mixing, especially between Indonesian and Alice. According to Sawe, 20 and 25, relationship develop new language norms through digital interaction, including the creative use of slang, observation, and also code mixing. And this is phenomenon is not only linguistic, but it's reflect social identify and digital biology, and that's why I choose to forget it use a social linguistic approach. And for the next, it's about research focus. This is study focus on their main aspect. There is third, and for the first is a type of code missing use, whether it is interaction, alternate alternation, and also or others. And for the second is function. That's our purpose behind using code missing. And for the third, the pattern is including when and now the code mixing appears in real TikTok communication. So I analyze content from two TikTok account, from alicia.alika and also Katal course, to see how code mixing is applied and different digital speech style. And for the next material, it's about methodology. This is methodology. I use descriptive qualitative method and with a sociolinguistic approach, and the data come from two TikTok videos, one from alicia.alika and the others from Katal course. This is I was it transcribe their speech or and identify segment where code missing occurred, and then I analyze choose the segment using Musken and theory to classify the type of code missing, and also from the Hoffman's theory to understand how communicative function. And this method allowed me to explore not one the structure of what is it of language that, but also the social meaning behind it. And the next about is result and discussion. So for the result and discussion, in this section I will present and explain the result of my analysis. I divided the findings into two parts, and one from alicia.alika and the others from Katal course. This is the results are present in the table. So we can clearly see and the types and also the function of code mixing used by each speaker. And then I profit comparison to draw conclusion about their language behavior on TikTok. So we can see this is slide this about findings Alicia and Alika. We can see this slide, and for this is code mixing analysis in video from Alicia.Alika. For the number one is utterance. Utterance apa yang kasih you satu lagi sih? This is type of code mixing is insertion, and for the function is talking about a particular topic. Okay, and this is this table show the code mixing found in the video by Alicia.Alika. The content is a blog style conversation that is very casual, it's very expressive and spontaneous. As we can see, the most dominant type of insertion and such as what is it in not interaction but insertion English word like you, so much, and or costas and also into Indonesian sentence. This is creators a casual and expressive tone, and there are also example of alternation and where the speaker switches language between clauses, such as tomorrow kita mulai. The function vary from emotional emphasis and to clarification and topic focus. Overall, her code mixing reflects Genji's natural way of expressing that's themselves in a relaxed setting. And for the next, it's about finding from catalog course. This is which is makeup tutorial, and her communication style is more structured and informative compared that's casual style. And number one for the first utterance is let me show how I do my eyeliner, and for the next aku suka banget pakai eyebrow and pencil ini. Is for the type insertion, for the type is alternation, and also for the function it's being empathic. It's number 4. Form number 4. In this the table interaction in insertion is used mostly from product namely like eyebrow pencil and brushes like Holy Glaze. This is alternation appears in launchers phrases and such as a function full sentence in English and provide instruction or explanation. The code mixing function include classification, emphasis, and polite interjection by her use of English help her appear more credible and style in delivering content related to beauty and tutorials. Okay, the next is about analysis and comparison. Now let's compare both videos. Both speaker use the same type of code mixing, insertion, and alternation, but it's very difficult ways that from Alicia.Alika contents, the code mixing feels spontaneous, emotional, and social driven. And while in Cattle Course videos content, it is more interactional and interactional. This show that the use of code mixing is half it sub by content goals and audience, and the finding also support Clinic 20 and 20 and 14 theory of English language, and where online communication blends spoken and written pictures. And for the last, it's about conclusion. In this conclusion, this study find that code mixing on the TikTok is not random. It is a digital communication strategy and that Genji use depending on the setting and also purpose. The most frequent type are insertion and alternation, and they are used for the functions such as emphasis, clarification, and interjection. So, code mixing is now a part of digital identify, and it's how Genji express themselves more natural and content with their audience on social platform. And so, the conclusion any presentation the concludes my presentation. So thank you so much for our attention, and maybe thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.